Alright, we'll get started here. It is Thursday, March 14th. Decent day here today. Another good green day. 246 after commissions. A little bit of too many tickets traded, but overall green day. Only traded ATOS. As you can see before commissions here, it's 312. I took a few pre-market and I took a few as it opened. So wasn't much happening today. There was a few moves later on in the day on BoxL, but I never traded it. I only traded ATOS here. So you can take a look here. You can see I got in at 8:45, 250 shares. I always take smaller size in pre-market. So got in for the break of 4, sold half, up 20 cents, up another half at 468. This thing was really going. I'll show you the pre-market chart here in a sec. And then I added here over 60. Nothing was really happening here in this 30 seconds. So I took some half size off, and then you can see as it came back down here in the next 15 seconds, I bailed. 58, so it was above my entry, so that was a winning trade right out the gates. It was a nice trade. Then I took another one before the open for the $5 break. It was not great follow through in this 20 seconds here, so I got out at 5. Then as the market opened, 2 minutes in, I got in this 1,000 shares at 24. 24 was the, let's see here, 24 was kind of the opening range breakout here. So as you can see, easy 20 cents within 3 seconds. Very quick, out 500 shares, 20 seconds. You can do the math. So, and I sold as it was coming back down. I took some risk off here where I was a loser holding 250. It then surged back up and I got out the rest. I guess I could have held through here, but then I took one more stab at it here at 5:36, 5 minutes in. Took some risk off as nothing was happening and stopped out 10 cents. So pre-market chart here. As you can see, broke out pre-market, it pulled back, broke out again, and on this pullback here, I got in over for $4 break here. As it's pulled back, and she went all the way up to 625. So there was opportunity to make some big money. As you can see, this is where I added and sold, and then sold on the way down. So that was the pre-market chart. Here's the 1 minute chart. So got in here, open range breakout. This candle here surging back up with good volume. Sold as it was coming back down. Didn't want to turn a winner into a loser. Sold as it pulled back, pulled back. First candle make new high. Can't see my green triangle here, but in, out, out. There's a few more entries here, but you can't see them. So also pre-market. So, but overall, decent day. 17 executions, a little hefty, but not a bad day. Green day. So we'll leave it at that. $246 winner. Get in, get out. Yeah, green day is good to green day. So we'll move on here. Thanks, guys.